we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Clay masks are often considered must-haves for oily skin. They work by retrieving dirt, oil, and other elements deep from your pores. As far as blackheads are concerned, clay masks can even loosen and remove clogged pores. Some clay masks, such as Michael Todd's Kaolin Clay Detoxifying Facial Mask, also contain sulfur.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.